Are you guys wanted to do an workshop from ISRO? Why not? If you are getting free e-certificate by just doing the workshop sitting at your home from Indian Space Research Organization. So please register yourself for upcoming online workshop on deep learning for ecological studies on 27th November 2024. Now this is the page where you have to register yourself for the upcoming workshop on deep learning for ecological studies. Okay. Now after coming to this website, you have to click this plus icon. Okay. Now you have to click this online registration form. I will provide the link of this page in my description. So please go and check. Okay. Now click this online registration form. Now you have to click this OK. Okay. Now you have to give your full name as per class 10 certificate, your email, confirm email. Then you have to provide your password and you have to confirm password and you have to write this code here. Okay. If you have already registered in this website, then click this already registered. Okay. Now here you have to provide your details like email ID and password, and you have to provide this code. Okay. Now click this login. Now you have to select your course name here. We are doing this deep learning in ecological studies. So click this. Now after this, you have to select this mode of registration. This is individual registrations because you are not registering from ISRO Nodal Center. Now after this, you have to select your basic qualification and the minimum qualification is graduate. So you have to click this graduate. Okay. Now you have to click this basic knowledge on. You can select this NA. Now after this, you have to write here something, but this is not a mandatory question. So please click next. Okay. Now here you have to provide your personal details. Okay. Now if you are a boy, then Mr. Then if you are a girl, then Miss. Okay. Now here you have to provide your full name, your father's name, your date of birth. If you are a male, then click male. If you are a female, then click female. Now here your nationality, that is Indian, your mobile number, you have to provide your city, your country, your state, and your pin code. Okay. Now after this, save and continue. Now you have to provide your educational details. Okay. So minimum qualification is graduation. So click this graduation. Now major subjects, you have to provide some subjects. Okay, of your course curriculum. Now you have to provide your board or university name or institute name. Now year of passing. Okay. Now after this, save and continue. Now here you have to provide your professional details. If you are a student, then click student. If you are a working professional, then click it. You have to choose your qualification here, that is PG, PhD or others. Okay. Now you have to upload your photograph. Now here you have to click your identification proof. You can provide passport or voter card or PAN card or other card. Suppose if you are giving other card, then you have to give this identification proof. Like you have to provide the PNG or JPG or JPEG format of your other card here. Now you have to write your other number on your own. Now after this, save and continue. Now here you can preview your application form and please check it all are correct or not. Okay. Now here you have to click this apply. Now after this, okay. So this is the full registration process. If you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay. So thank you. See you in the next video.